The table shown summarizes the number of employees at each of the 17 restaurants in a town. In the table, in the first column, we have number of employees. In the second column, we have number of restaurants. Which of the following could be the median number of employees for the restaurants in this town? Okay, to find the median number of employees for the restaurants in this town, we have to find the middle value of the number of restaurants shown in the second column over here. To find the middle value of a number of restaurants, we have to get the total of all these numbers. I am getting 17. Now we have to add 1 to this 17 and divide it by 2. Then we get 18 divided by 2, which is equal to 9. So the middle of all these values is 9. Okay, now to find where this 9 falls, let's find the total of the first values. We get 6. Okay, now let's get the total of the first values. We get 8. Then the ninth value should come in this category. That is, a median number of employees for the restaurant in this town should be belonging to the category 20 to 25. Okay, in the given answer choices, I have to get the value which comes in this interval. That is 20 to 25. That is 15 in answer choice C. So 15 could be the median number of employees. The correct answer choice for this question is C.